I am super duper excited for this video. I hope even you are excited.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It feels so good creating video after so long. Anyways, I am back. Also मैं बता दूँ मैं क्यों गायब थी, क्योंकि I was not feeling well and also this COVID situation की वजह से I was not feeling to create anything. That's the reason I took a long break. But I am back, so make sure you hit the subscribe button. एंड ऑल्सो यू पीपल नो मैं अप्रैल मार्च में दिल्ली गई थी, सो वहाँ मैंने सरोजनी नगर का हॉल वीडियो बोला था बट वो अपलोड नहीं हुआ. सो आई एम क्रिएटिंग इट नाउ. सो मैंने यूजुअली सोचा था मैं व्लॉग करूँगी सरोजनी नगर, बट वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ थी, सो वो पॉसिबल नहीं हुआ. एंड ऑल्सो आई विल शेयर माई एक्सपीरियंस कि वो अच्छा है नहीं है सरोजनी मार्केट, लाइक इट इज़ वर्थ और नॉट एंड कैसा है जो भी है. एंड ऑल्सो आई बॉट सो मैनी थिंग्स फ्रॉम देयर, सो आई वॉन्टेड टू शो इट टू यू गाइज. सो दिस इज़ अ पार्ट 1 एंड आई विल बी क्रिएटिंग पार्ट 2 कॉज मैंने बहुत सी चीज़ें लाई है, सो वीडियो बहुत लॉन्ग हो जाएगा. सो मेक श्योर यू वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड. And now let's begin. So the first top I got is this one, the one right now I am wearing. This is the simple orange tank top and I have a story behind this top. So I was just like seeing this top. I was not about to purchase but मैं just देख रही थी and that shopkeeper told me ले लो but I was not interested cause वो 300 price बोल रहा था and सरोजनी नगर में this simple tank top for 300 not possible. I am not going to buy it. So then I was not interested, so I was just standing and then he was like le lo, but I was not like paying attention. So then suddenly he told me acha 100 rupees bhi le lo, and I was like what, without bargaining 300 to 100. So I thought chalo theek hai le lo. So that's the reason I got this top and yeah, so I like it. It's a very cute simple tank top. So the next top is this one. This was like super huge, like this was like XL I think so, and I got it altered for myself because I love this kind of top, like very simple and also इसके पीछे net भी है, so I like this. Also this top was for 80 rupees. Also you can see there is no defect in this top, like 80 rupees का है तो अपन सोच सकते हैं कुछ defect होगा, but no, it is nice. And obviously you can go to Sarojini market and buy whatever you would like to buy, but you need to see the quality and like देख लो एक बार उसमें कोई defect नहीं है and definitely you can buy. So the next top is this is for winter. Basically मुंबई में winter collection अच्छा होता नहीं है, so I thought why not, एक तो दिल्ली से मैं winter collection जैसा top ले लूँ. So I got this one. Basically मुझे इसका कलर बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा and this was for 200 rupees, pretty reasonable. So yeah, और मेरे को वुलन क्लोथ्स लेने थे बट वहाँ पे कलेक्शन ज़्यादा था नहीं cause ऑलरेडी मार्च में मैंने विजिट किया था, so ठंडी का कलेक्शन ज़्यादा था नहीं, but I got this one. So I am super excited to wear this in winters cause अभी तो पहन नहीं सकते, ये बहुत मोटा कपड़ा है. So yeah. So the next top is this and this has a knot in front side. Basically मुझे इससे बहुत उम्मीद थी but I am so disappointed with this top cause ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही crop है and I don't prefer wearing this much crop top outside. So I'll be wearing this in my videos and all of that stuff. बाकी this color is so cute, like sky blue color, and this is a shirt style. We have a button and this knot in the front side. Only the disappointment thing is like ये बहुत ज़्यादा क्रॉप है, थोड़ा सा भी लॉन्ग होता तो मैं यूज़ कर लेती आउटसाइड कहीं भी पहनने के लिए. एंड दिस वॉज फॉर 100 रुपीज़, 100 या 150 मैक्स, मुझे याद नहीं क्योंकि बहुत टाइम हो गया. एंड द रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग इज़ लाइक नाइस एज यू कैन सी. बेसिकली मैंने इसको कलर के लिए ही पिक किया था बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू हैव अ कलरफुल वार्डरोब एंड so I got this sky blue top. So the next is this denim shirt and this was for 200 rupees. Actually ये बहुत ज़्यादा कॉमन है, like देखा होगा सबके पास होता है ऐसा denim shirt. मेरे पास एक भी नहीं था, so I thought why not, let's buy one. and you can use this as a jacket also and also as a short type, जैसे एक कपड़ा भी use कर सकते हैं. And let's see how I am going to style. Like I'll use it as a jacket or just I'm going to wear like this. And also I like this color, like nice denim color. यहाँ पे से थोड़ा faded and यहाँ से थोड़ा dark blue. So 200 में it is very nice to wear. Like 3-4 बार पहन लो, nice है. And this is how it looks. And this is very comfortable. The next is this white shirt. So I was searching this kind of shirt everywhere, like also in the Mumbai and also Delhi में, but I was not getting one. And I got this for 200 rupees. Like वहाँ पे सरोजनी में एक स्टोर था जिसमें से white shirts available थी, like all kind of size, material, soft cotton, थोड़ा hard cotton, all of that stuff. So I got this very soft cotton for myself because I want to style this in different ways. And I was searching for this white shirt from like so long, since a year, and finally I got it from Sarojini. So I am so excited to style my white shirt in different ways. And yeah, as I told you, I got this for 200 rupees, which is pretty reasonable because online बहुत ज़्यादा costly हो रहा था, like 500, 600, and also not in the women category, it was in the men's category. So yeah, so I'm so excited for this purchase. So next is this black jacket, and I got this for 50 rupees. This was my first purchase. जो सबसे सस्ता है 50 रुपए. So this is how it looks. It has a knot. It is basically a jacket, and I think I'm going to cut this knot and just use it like this because this is looking more pretty. But anyways, I have this knot also, so I can tie. And this is a nice shrug. I can wear this on sando or anything like that and wear a basic black jeans, and this is going to look super cute. And also the quality is really not that bad, like 50 rupees hai, so you can like see quality thoda अच्छा नहीं होता है, but the quality is good. Coming to the second last top that I have to show you is this green tank top. And this is how it looks. It is very simple, basic for summer. Like yeah, it is a tank top, so you can wear this in summer. And I like this color, like light green color. As you can see, मेरे सारे colors अलग अलग है हर एक top के. So this was for 80 rupees, and yeah, pretty reasonable and good. Now coming to the last top, that is this top. I have already wore this, like Insta पे follow करते हो तो pictures देखा होगा. And सब top में से I really love this top because this is very comfortable and I don't know, I like it. Also इसका color is super cute, and this was for 80 rupees. Yeah, this was for 80 rupees. And इधर एक 3 button है, like you can open it, but a full sleeves top and very comfortable, so that's the reason I like this top. So this was my last top, and now I'll be showing you the collection of earrings that I got, and that would be it for part 1, and the rest of the things I'll be showing you in part 2. Make sure to watch part 2 cause उसमें बहुत सी amazing चीज़ें हैं that I'm going to show you. Personally, my favorite bottoms, cause I got really amazing bottoms from Sarojini, so that I'm going to show you in part 2. So now let's see the earrings. So starting off with the first earring, that is this. This is a simple basic earring, silver earring, and I got this for 30 rupees, which is very reasonable. And also it is very fancy for like western outfits. As you have already watched my earring collection video, I have so many earrings for my Indian outfits, but I was not having that good collection for western outfits, so I got western earrings for my western outfits. And the first one is this. The second earring is this. This is a basic triangle, and yes, this was also for 30 rupees. Actually वहाँ पे बहुत सारे variety available थे, but we chose what we like, and yeah, it is worth buying. The third earring I have is this one. It has a silver like chunky wala thing going on in the front, and and this is how it looks. This was also for 30 rupees. The next earring I have is this. So basically ये एक normal hoop earrings है and उसमें ये pearls add किया है. So it is like enhancing the overall look of the normal hoop earrings, which I really love it. And this was also for 30 rupees. And I really like the idea, like normal earrings में pearl डाल के they created this kind of earring, which is very good. So the last earring I got is this. This was for 75 rupees and बाकी सब was 30 rupees and this was for 75 rupees. And this is how it looks. This is like super cute and unique. I feel like मैंने कभी ये design अब तक देखी नहीं है, so I like this earring very much. So that was it for my today's video. Now coming to the experience what I had in Sarojini Market. So basically जितना hype किया है दिल्ली वाली public ने कि Sarojini Market is so cheap and like they have a good quality cloth, actually this is right cause I got so many things and I don't feel like उसका quality बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब है. Like obviously you are buying from street, so it is not going to like look so rich, but yeah it is pretty nice quality. Like you just need to check एक बार कि कोई कहीं stain नहीं है, कहीं से कुछ फटा फुटा नहीं है, and you are good to go. Then you can completely buy from Sarojini and it was really a good experience. And let me tell you, मुंबई में ऐसा street shopping है ही नहीं. Like we have Bandra में Hill Road and Link Road, but this is not that reasonable. But Sarojini Market is super reasonable. Like 50 rupees में top मुंबई में तो possible ही नहीं है. So I am really loving this whole experience of Sarojini. Like I got so many things जो आप part 2 में देखोगे तो आपको पता चल जाएगा. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video, comment में बता देना कुछ भी जो भी पसंद आया हो या anything you want to ask. And share this video with your friends, subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I'll be seeing you in next video like in part 2. So yeah, stay tuned.